Hi, Ross here with Bear Bull Traders, checking in on trade I took on October the 4th of 2018. The strategy I used here was opening range break, and I took the entry rate at 935 as soon as it bounced off this moving average here on the 1 minute chart. I believe that was the 20 there, the 9 being here and the 20 here, and took 1,000 shares there and had a level down here at about 44 and sold all of it there and called it a day. And that's about all I wanted to say, and best of luck to everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow in the chat room. Hi, this is Ross from Bear Bull Traders. Just checking in here on October the 5th of 2018 on two trades I took for AMD. The first being an opening range breakdown, kind of a false breakout on the one that I mismanaged. And had a great entry here. I saw some weakness on the level 2, and just the way it just felt like it was about to turn. And so I went short there for an opening range breakdown. Had a really tight stop there. And did not take... I saw this close price here and thought this was going to kind of reverse ABCD and push below that, or towards that at least. And so I greeted and transition this opening range break into a reverse ABCD in my head, which I think is a cardinal sin in day trading, is turning one strategy into another, at least all of it, the position that is. And so I kind of had my stop at break even, and it was pulling up on me, and I really didn't want it to turn against me. And so I got out here, and next minute it bounces kind of hard. Beautiful reverse ABCD here on the 1. A, B, kind of C in here, and then just D's through. But I was trying to trade it safe, and so I, got out with a small profit there. And then as soon as that happened, I was thinking, oh, here we go. Here's the reverse ABCD that I was thinking about, and so hopped back in here at VWAP, and then looked for a punch on yesterday's close price and cleared the whole thing and called it a day. Good luck with all your trades, everybody, and we'll see you next week. Have a good weekend.